Guys, welcome to my vlog. So today, we're eating some ramen with cheese and ham. My favorite. So let's start eating.
What happened to your chopstick? It's not the same.
Because the other ones are gone. And I forgot to tell you, the ramen is also spicy. Look at this cheese. It's hard, pretty hard.
Lang. Kanan mo ha.
Let's try the ham.
Ramen?
It's delicious. Let me show you. See? Now let's drink water. Because it's a bit spicy. Now let's eat it. Delicious cheese. Mommy, look.
Yeah.
It's hot. Let's squeeze the cheese. Stir it around. Gotta wait a minute, guys. Now you can see my food.
Ganina kay nag-zumba.
Dun man.
Kanang tinisan ba na magyan to?
Let's eat.
Asa?
Dito nahan.
Ooh, look at this cheese. I like it. It's a bit spicy for me.
Creamy ang sauce.
I'm gonna get the spoon with. Now guys, I have a giant spoon here holding in my hand. So let's start now. Oh my god, it looks so delicious, guys. Okay, some people when they watch my videos, their mouth will water. And I like it. I'm starting to cry a bit. God, it looks so delicious, guys. Look at this cheese. Let's mix the cheese and squeeze it. Now let's eat. So delicious. I like mommy's cook and also my grandma's cook. Let's take a sip of the soup. So delicious and spicy.
You want to what? Ayan?
Maybe cheese.
One more cheese.
Yeah. It's okay if there's no more. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Okay, guys.
Please like and subscribe. If you already like and subscribe.
I can subscribe for more videos. Okay raman ako bisag. Di. Okay. Sorry for that excuse, guys. I live in Philippines. That's why I speak Bisaya.
It's enough na.
Thanks for watching today's video, guys, and I hope you like and subscribe for every video I make and create. Bye.